Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. A warning this evening for consumers to be more vigilant when using point-of-sale machines. Co-chairman of the Anti-Fraud Committee of the Jamaica Bankers Association, LLOYD PARCHMENT, says fraudsters have found new ways to carry out their malicious deeds. They have been stealing the machines. TVJ's LLOYD reports.
Most banks have clamped down on skimmers and fraudsters who try to get people's banking information at automated banking machines. But as co-chairman of the Anti-Fraud Committee of the Jamaica Bankers Association, LLOYD PARCHMENT explains, the fraudsters have identified a new way to scam consumers.
In as much as it is a useful apparatus, the fraudsters have found a way to compromise the system. They have been stealing the mobile devices. So we see them on camera at a gas station. A bikeman just ride up and snatch the mobile device. And the pump attendants usually are quite careless with it. They put it on top of the pump and they put it down somewhere, a stool like that. And a man just ride up on a bike or a bicycle or walk on foot and snatch it and take off.
He says the fraudsters rig the point-of-sale machines after they steal it and then reintroduce the machine into the merchant chain. But Mr. Parchment warned that there are ways to identify the new trick.
What typically happens is that you tender your card, they do them little fandangles on the mobile pass, swipe your card, give you the machine to enter your PIN. After you have entered your PIN, so they have now captured everything, right? They say to you, oh, sorry, this machine not working. I have to get another one. Now, that is not necessarily saying that a fraud is in progress, but I'm saying to you, this has been happening out there, so be on your lookout. What we say to you, if you see something like that happening, immediately bring it to the attention of the ownership or the management of the entity that you're dealing with. Alternatively, or in addition to, get in touch with your bank.
Andrew LAIDLEY, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $137.18. The Canadian dollar, $102.62. The pound sterling cost $173.25, while the euro is going for $152.50. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 2,375 points today, and the junior market index declined by 41 points. Among the winners, T-Tech, Stationery and Office Supplies, Everything Fresh, Portland JSX, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. On the losing side, we had Medical Disposables and Supplies, Sterling Investments, Siboney Group, Knutsford Express Services, and Jetcon Corporation. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.